My friends. Today, we are going to explore the life of Adolf Hitler, a man who changed history in a big and shocking way. His name is known across the world. Some fear it, some study it, but few truly understand how it all began. This is the story of Adolf Hitler, told simply and clearly.
Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1889, in a small town in Austria.
His father, Alois Hitler, was a strict government worker. Alois had a very serious and controlling personality, and he was always at odds with Adolf. He wanted Adolf to study hard and become a government worker, just like him. But Adolf had different dreams. He wants to be an artist. His mother, Clara, was kind, gentle, and loved Adolf very much. She believed her son had talent. When Adolf was 13, his father died. His mother continued to support him. Adolf decided to study art and applied to the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna, but he was rejected. He tried again the next year and was rejected a second time. This was a painful moment in his life.
His mother became sick with cancer and died in 1907. Her death broke Adolf emotionally. After that, his life became very hard. He had no job and no money. He lived in cheap shelters and sold small paintings to survive. During these years, he started to develop extreme nationalist and anti-Semitic ideas. These ideas later shaped his dangerous political beliefs.
When World War I began, Hitler joined the German army as a volunteer. He worked as a messenger on the battlefield. He was brave and was injured twice. He received medals for his service. In 1918, Germany lost the war. Hitler was shocked and devastated. He believed Germany did not lose in battle, but was betrayed by politicians and enemies inside the country. This belief became a central part of his future politics. After the war, Germany was in chaos. People were poor and angry. Hitler joined a small political group called the German Workers' Party. Because he was a powerful speaker, he quickly became its leader. He renamed it the National Socialist German Workers' Party, known as the Nazi Party. He designed their symbol, a red flag with a black swastika. "This will become the most powerful symbol in the world," he declared. His speeches became famous. Thousands of people came to hear him. They believed in his dream of a strong Germany. But Adolf's ideas were dangerous. He blamed certain groups of people for Germany's problems and wanted to make Germany only for Germans. After World War I, Germany was in big trouble. People had no jobs, food was expensive, and many families were hungry. The country had to pay a lot of money to other nations because they lost the war. Germans were angry and sad. Adolf Hitler saw this pain. He told the people, "It's not your fault. I know who is to blame." His words gave people hope, but they also made them angry at others. Slowly, Adolf became a popular name. He worked hard to grow his party. He held big meetings and gave loud, emotional speeches. "Germany can be great again," he shouted. People clapped and cheered. They believed in his dream. In 1923,
Adolf tried to take control of the German government by force. This event is called the Beer Hall Putsch, but it failed. Adolf was arrested and sent to jail for 9 months. While in jail, he wrote a book called Mein Kampf, which means My Struggle. In this book, he explained his ideas. He wrote that Germany must become powerful again, and that certain groups of people were the enemy. The book became popular, and many Germans began to believe his ideas. After leaving prison, Hitler rebuilt the Nazi Party. Germany was suffering from economic problems, and many people supported his promises. In 1933, Hitler became Chancellor of Germany. Soon, he took complete control and became a dictator called the Führer. Hitler changed Germany quickly. He banned other political parties. He controlled newspapers and radio. He used secret police, the Gestapo, to arrest opponents. He rebuilt the German army. He created jobs and improved the economy. Many Germans believed he was saving the country. They did not see the danger under the surface. Hitler believed that Aryans were a superior race. He passed strict laws against Jewish people. These laws removed their rights, jobs, and freedoms. Jewish people were forced to leave their homes, their schools, and their workplaces. Many were sent to ghettos and later to concentration camps. This was the beginning of the Holocaust, the systematic murder of millions of innocent people.
The Holocaust was one of the darkest chapters in human history. The Nazis built human cremation chambers in the camps. These human cremation chambers were used to burn the bodies of the victims.
On September 1, 1939, Hitler invaded Poland. This started World War II. Germany won many quick victories in the beginning. Countries like France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Norway, and Denmark fell under Nazi control. But Hitler made a huge mistake by attacking the Soviet Union. The war became long and difficult. Then the United States entered the war, and Germany began to lose. By 1943, German forces were retreating. Cities were destroyed, millions were dead. Meanwhile, the Holocaust continued. About 6 million Jewish people and many others were murdered. In 1945, Hitler hid in an underground bunker in Berlin. He didn't trust anyone. He stayed there with his lover, Eva Braun. The Soviet army was getting closer from the east, and American and British forces were moving in from the west. On April 29, 1945, Adolf made a surprising decision. He married Eva Braun inside the bunker. It was a simple ceremony with only a few people present. "You've always been by my side, Eva," Adolf said. Eva smiled, even though she knew this was not a happy moment. After the wedding, Adolf and Eva spent hours together, talking about their lives and everything they had done. They both knew the end was near. On April 30th, 1945, Adolf made his final decision. He called his closest followers into the bunker and told them, "I will not be captured alive." Adolf was 56 years old when he killed himself inside the bunker. They found the bodies of Adolf and Eva. His body was burned shortly after. 1 week later, Germany surrendered. World War II ended in Europe. Hitler is responsible for the deaths of more than 70 million people, the destruction of Europe, the Holocaust, and the rise of violent racism and dictatorship. Today, his name is a symbol of hatred, violence, war, and human cruelty. His life shows how dangerous anger, hate, and extreme ideas can become when they gain power.
Dear friends, if these videos help you learn English, please like, comment, and support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next lessons.
Thank you so much.